Hello students, I am Anita and today I am going to teach 8th class Moral Science Unit 3, that is In Search of Inner Talent. First of all, what is the meaning of talent? Talent, that is a natural ability to be good at something. So it is a natural ability of any person to be good at something. Now the first one is brainstorming sessions. So think about these questions. First of all, are you blessed with some talent? Yes, you have some kind of talent. Do these talents benefit you? Yes. Development of talent is a wastage of time? No, it is not wastage of time, but it leads to success. So its reply is no. Everyone is talented one way or another. Yes. Is everybody equally talented? No. Development of talent is related to success? Yes. Now, the other one, that is talent gift of God. So, talent is an inborn quality within man that helps one to achieve great things in life. So, with the help of talent, we can achieve great things in life. Some person that recognize the talents, while other ones that not recognize them. The one which recognize the talents, the talent leads to them in success. The next one is the story, that is from darkness to light. It is a story of Ram Leffler, who was a very talented burglar. One day, police catch him and put him in a jail. In this jail, what he do? One day he was doing push-ups, and that time was a turning point in his life. At push-up time, what he noticed? He noticed that his muscles developed. And he also knew that in jail, baseball players got better treatment. So he started playing that game. In some days, he became master of that game. Soon, he decided to end all the bad habits. And at last, when he released from the jail, he signed a contract, a professional baseball contract. And what he done? He break all the records at American baseball. So what is the moral of this story? That good talent lead to success, or recognize inner good talents. Now there is one more topic, that is no comparison, please. So to compare a person with another is a crime. We cannot compare one with another. A person good in one thing and another person good in another thing. So everyone has its own talent. No one feel depressed. Everyone possess something which make everyone special and unique in this world. So to compare a person with another, that is a crime. Here are some pics of some famous. So first one is Sachin Tendulkar, second one is Steven Spielberg, next one is Charlie Chaplin, and last one is Bill Gates. So think about these personalities and collect information about these, that who are these and in which field they are famous. Thank you.